Most people think life insurance is just about taking care of your family when you're gone. It's like a safety net, right? But what if I told you it could be so much more? What if you could use life insurance to build wealth and secure your financial future? That's right, folks. We're talking about unlocking the hidden potential of life insurance. Now I know what you might be thinking. Dave, are you sure you're talking about life insurance and not some fancy investment scheme? Trust me on this one. We're diving deep into the world of life insurance and how it can be your secret weapon to financial freedom. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making smart choices today that will pay off big time down the road. We're talking about building a solid foundation for your financial future, one step at a time. So buckle up and get ready to see life insurance in a whole new light. It's time to unlock the wealth-building potential you never knew existed. Let's break it down, folks. Life insurance comes in different flavors, but the basic idea is simple. You pay a premium, and if something happens to you, your beneficiaries get a payout. Think of it like a financial safety net for your loved ones. But here's the kicker: certain types of life insurance, like whole life insurance, offer something extra: cash value. This means a portion of your premium goes towards providing a death benefit, while the rest is invested and grows over time. Now, this isn't your typical stock market roller coaster. Cash value grows steadily and predictably, protected from the ups and downs of the market. It's like having a savings account that's also working hard for you in the background. So, you see, life insurance isn't just about protecting your loved ones after you're gone. It's also about building wealth and creating a brighter financial future for yourself and your family. Let's talk about whole life insurance, the MVP of wealth-building life insurance policies. Unlike term life insurance, which only covers you for a specific period, whole life insurance is in it for the long haul. As long as you pay your premiums, you're covered for life. But here's the real game changer: whole life insurance offers guaranteed cash value growth. That's right, guaranteed. This means your money grows steadily over time, regardless of what the stock market is doing. Think of it like a savings account on steroids. Your cash value earns interest at a fixed rate, and it compounds over time. That means you earn interest on your initial investment and on the interest you've already earned. So with whole life insurance, you're not just getting life insurance coverage, you're building a valuable asset that can help you achieve your financial goals. It's a win-win. Now let's talk about the magic of compounding. It's like watching your money make babies that make more babies, and so on. The longer your money stays invested, the more it grows exponentially. Imagine this: you invest $10,000 today, and it earns a modest 5% interest rate per year. After the first year, you'll have earned $500. Not bad, right? But here's where it gets interesting. In the second year, you're not just earning interest on your initial $10,000, you're also earning interest on that $500 you made in the first year. So instead of earning another $500, you'll earn slightly more. Fast forward 20 years, and that $10,000 investment could potentially double to $20,000 or more, thanks to the power of compounding. That's the beauty of letting your money grow over the long term. And the best part, with whole life insurance, your cash value benefits from this compounding effect, growing steadily and predictably over time. Section 5. Tax advantages. Maximizing your wealth accumulation. Now, let's talk taxes, because nobody likes Uncle Sam taking a big chunk of their hard-earned money. The good news is that whole life insurance offers some sweet tax advantages that can help you keep more of your wealth. First off, the cash value in your policy grows tax-deferred. This means you don't pay taxes on the growth until you withdraw it. It's like having a secret stash of money that the IRS doesn't even know about yet. Secondly, when you do decide to withdraw your cash value, you can often do so tax-free through policy loans. That's right, tax-free. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Of course, it's always a good idea to talk to a tax professional to understand the specific tax implications for your situation. But generally speaking, the tax advantages of whole life insurance can be a major boon to your wealth-building strategy. Section 6, financial leverage. Accessing your money when you need it. Now I know what you're thinking. Dave, this all sounds great, but what if I need access to my money before I die? Don't worry, folks. Whole life insurance also offers something called policy loans. Policy loans allow you to borrow against your cash value without surrendering your policy. It's like having a built-in line of credit that you can tap into whenever you need it. You can use the money for anything you want: home renovations, education expenses, or even a dream vacation. And the best part? Unlike traditional loans, policy loans don't require a credit check, and you don't have to justify why you need the money. It's your money, and you can access it whenever you need it, no questions asked. Just remember that policy loans do accrue interest, so it's important to use them responsibly and pay them back on time. Section 7, living benefits, meeting your needs while you're still here. Here's another perk of whole life insurance that often gets overlooked. Living benefits. That's right, you don't have to wait until you're pushing daisies to enjoy the benefits of your policy. Many whole life insurance policies offer riders or optional add-ons that provide coverage for critical illnesses, chronic illnesses, and even disability. This means you can access a portion of your death benefit while you're still alive if you experience one of these qualifying events. Imagine having peace of mind knowing that you have a financial safety net to fall back on if you're diagnosed with a serious illness or become unable to work. That's the power of living benefits. So, not only can whole life insurance protect your family after you're gone, but it can also provide valuable financial support during your lifetime when you need it most. Let's put a face to this, folks. Meet Sarah, a single mom who decided to take control of her financial future. Sarah was tired of living paycheck to paycheck and wanted to create a better life for herself and her son. She heard about the wealth-building potential of whole life insurance and decided to give it a shot. Sarah started by purchasing a policy that fit her budget and watched as her cash value steadily grew over time. Years later, Sarah faced an unexpected financial challenge when her car broke down. Instead of panicking, she remembered her whole life insurance policy. She took out a policy loan to cover the car repairs and was back on the road in no time. Thanks to her whole life insurance, Sarah was able to overcome a financial hurdle without derailing her long-term financial goals. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of whole life insurance as a wealth-building tool. Now, before you rush out and buy the first whole life insurance policy you can find, remember that not all policies are created equal. It's important to choose a policy that aligns with your individual needs and financial goals. First, consider your coverage needs. How much life insurance do you need to provide for your loved ones if you were to pass away unexpectedly? Once you have a handle on your coverage needs, you can start shopping around for a policy that offers the right amount of coverage at a price you can afford. It's also important to consider the financial strength of the insurance company you choose. You want to make sure your policy will be there when you need it. So choose a reputable company with a strong track record. Don't be afraid to ask questions and shop around for the best rates and coverage options. The right policy is out there. You just have to find it. Listen up, folks. Time is money, and the sooner you start building wealth, the better off you'll be. Don't wait until it's too late to secure your financial future. Take action today. Talk to a financial advisor who specializes in life insurance and get personalized advice tailored to your specific situation. They can help you choose the right type of policy, determine the right amount of coverage, and find a reputable insurance company. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, discipline, and a solid plan. But with whole life insurance as part of your financial strategy, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial dreams. So, what are you waiting for? Take that first step today and unlock the wealth-building potential of life insurance. Life insurance, specifically whole life insurance, can be a powerful tool for building wealth and securing your financial future. It's not just about protecting your loved ones after you're gone, it's about creating a brighter future for yourself and your family. Remember, whole life insurance offers guaranteed cash value growth, tax advantages, financial leverage, and even living benefits. It's like having a financial Swiss Army knife that can help you navigate the ups and downs of life. So, if you're looking for a safe and effective way to build wealth, consider adding whole life insurance to your financial portfolio. It could be one of the smartest financial decisions you ever make.